Let me introduce you to a new era in automotive elegance. Arrow running blinker, bright LED indicators. These aren't just another upgrade, they're a revolution in how your vehicle communicates style and intent on the road. Now, when I say luxury, I don't just mean plush interiors or a gleaming paint job. True luxury is about the harmony of every element, inside and out, coming together to create an experience that's both refined and exhilarating. I'm talking about the kind of difference you can see and feel, where every detail matters and your presence doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. It's about making a statement without ever raising your voice. Picture this. You're gliding down a coastal highway. The golden hour light dances off the sea, and as birds soar above, your vehicle stands out. Not with noise, but with a whisper of sophistication. The world notices, even if only for a moment, the effortless grace of your journey. That's the feeling Arrow LED indicators capture. They're not just lights, they're an experience, a subtle nod to those who appreciate the finer things. Crafted for those who believe style is in the subtlety, these aren't just signals, they're a statement. Every glance at your car becomes a reminder that true elegance is found in the details. Each arrow-shaped LED pulses to life in a seamless running motion, crisp, bright, and unmistakably modern. The dynamic flow of light draws the eye, making every turn and lane change a moment of visual poetry. Their daylight visible, cutting through fog, rain, or the city's neon glare. No matter the conditions, your intentions are always clear. Safety and style perfectly balanced. But let's be honest, luxury is more than just beauty. It's about smart choices. It's about investing in features that enhance your drive and reflect your discerning taste. Arrow's premium LEDs aren't just about turning heads, they're engineered for unmatched longevity and reliability. Built to withstand the demands of daily driving, they promise performance that lasts. That means less time in the shop, more time chasing horizons. And installation, effortless. Designed for seamless integration, Arrow indicators fit perfectly so you can upgrade your ride without hassle, because luxury should never feel complicated. Every interaction, every upgrade should feel as smooth as the drive itself. With Arrow, you upgrade not just the look, but the entire experience of your drive. It's about enjoying every journey, knowing your car reflects your unique sense of style. Imagine, every indicator, every signal, clear, bold, and perfectly in sync with your taste. This isn't for everyone. It's for those who demand more from their vehicle, who see their car as an extension of themselves. It's for those who want their car to be an extension of their own elegance, for those who understand that first impressions are made in an instant and lasting impressions are made in the details, for those who see every detail as an opportunity for self-expression. Your car is your canvas, and Arrow LED indicators are your signature. If that's you, you know it's the little things that set you apart. The world may not always notice, but you always will. So whether you're winding along sunlit roads or gliding through the city at midnight, let Arrow running blinker bright LED indicators be your finishing touch. Elevate your ride, make every journey memorable, announce your arrival, let your presence be felt before you even step out, and move through the world, confident, refined, unforgettable. With Arrow, every drive becomes a statement. Arrow running blinker bright LED indicators, the mark of true automotive sophistication. See and be seen in style.